For sale. This 2017 Ford F-150 FX4 SuperCrew pickup is a full-size 4x4 truck that offers rugged performance, versatile configuration, and a suite of factory upgrades tailored for both off-road and daily driving. With a powerful EcoBoost engine, crew cab layout, and premium appearance packages, this truck strikes the perfect balance between work-ready capability and modern comfort. It's powered by a 2.7L EcoBoost V6 engine, producing 325 horsepower, mated to a 6-speed SelectShift automatic transmission. Built on a 145-inch wheelbase, the truck features a 6,500 lb GVWR 5.5-foot bed and a 4x4 drivetrain with the FX4 Off-Road Package, designed for enhanced suspension tuning, skid plates, and terrain-ready durability. The chassis is supported by spring suspension and rolls on 20-inch aluminum wheels in flash gray finish. This F-150 comes equipped with several factory-installed packages, including the STX Appearance Package, XL Sport Appearance Package, and Trailer Tow Package. It also includes Sync 3 connectivity, rear-view camera, platform running boards, and power equipment package for added convenience. Finished in silver with a gray interior, this truck has a clean Carfax, accident-free history, and documented service records, showing it's been properly maintained. Ideal for fleet use, weekend towing, or off-road adventure, this unit is ready for work or play.
Looking for a reliable work truck with financing that works for you? Truck and Van Outlet is your destination for top-quality commercial vehicles and zero down payment financing designed to help business owners, contractors, and fleet operators hit the road without the financial headache. Whether you're hauling cargo, lifting with a bucket truck, or handling construction jobs with a dump body, our inventory is built for hard work and real-world performance. Each truck is thoroughly inspected, professionally maintained, and ready to go. Because downtime isn't an option when you've got jobs to finish and clients to serve. We offer easy and flexible financing options, nationwide delivery, and a customer-first approach that's earned us a reputation you can trust. Our team is here to guide you every step of the way, from selecting the right vehicle to getting you approved and rolling fast. At Truck and Van Outlet, it's more than just a sale, it's a partnership, because when your business moves, we move with you. Call us today at 305-646-1945 or visit truckandvanoutlet.com to browse our inventory and apply for financing. Your next work truck is just a click away. Truck and Van Outlet. Tough trucks, easy terms, real value.